Good morning children. So today we are going to be do the additions of the fractions. So actually Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4 sections are there children. The first Roman is very easy. So that directly you can do in the textbook. From Roman number 2, 3, 4 onwards, that you have to do in the classwork. Okay. Better you do all the 4 sections in the classwork itself children. Don't write in the textbook. Open textbook page number 84 now, and your classwork also you have to take it along with you. Now the first section, add the following like fractions is there. So for the first one, 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6 is there. So how to do this? Solution, same numbers you write it again, 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. Next put is equal to in the next section, denominators are same. Okay, where the denominators are same, draw one big line and down of that line write 6. Okay, as the denominators are same, directly we have to add the numerators. 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? 5 by 6 is the answer. So directly if the denominators are same, right, directly numerators can be added. And next, even. Here 3 fractions are there. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. How to do this? 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. First, write all the 3 fractions. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Put is equal to. And the denominator is 8. So write denominator directly 8. Now what the numerator children? 1, 3 and 5. So write 1 plus 3 plus 5. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 by 8. Okay, directly if it is 3 digits, 4 digit, if the denominator is same, directly you have to add the numerators. Got it? Remaining sums, do it as a homework in the classwork notebook itself. And next, coming to the Roman number 2. So Roman number 2, little bit process is the children. Everyone now try to understand the concept. Roman number 2. First one, 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Here numerators are different, denominators also different. It means these are unlike fractions. So how to do unlike fractions addition? Solution, first write down 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Second step, take the LCM of 2, 4. So here in rough work you can write 2 and 4 and do the LCM using the prime numbers. What are prime numbers children? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. The numbers which are divided only with 1 and the number itself. Those numbers are called prime numbers. So here I am starting with 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Again 2 is there, no? So I am dividing with 2. What is the, how many times 2 is repeated? 2 times. 2 2s are 4 is the answer. It means the LCM is 4. Okay, now I am writing 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 is equal to, what is the LCM I got children here? 4, no? So write the 4 down of the line. Now with the denominator, the LCM, how many times multiply, how many times divide, that you have to find out. Okay, what is the denominator here? 4. 4 divided by, what is the denominator here? 2. Denominator divided by plus numerator. Okay, next here also denominator divided by plus numerator. Okay, now 4 divided by 2. What is the answer we get, children? Not plus here, into, children, sorry. Not plus, into. So 4 divided by 2. In 2 table 4, how many times it will be divided? 2 times. 2 into 1 plus, next here also 4, how many times it will divide? 1 time. 1 into 3 by 4. Okay, is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus 1 threes are 3 by denominator is 4. Now directly you can add 2 plus 3, 5 by 4. So unlike fractions, when you are doing additions and or subtractions, first these unlike fractions, the denominators has to do the LCM. After doing the LCM, that LCM number will be get it no. So that number with the denominator, how many times it will divide, that have to check. After checking with that number, you have to multiply the numerator. And then last finally, the two numbers, the numerators will multiply no. After multiplying, what the numbers will be get it, that 2 we have to add it, and the denominator the same will be continued. After LCM, which number will be get it, that only same it will be continued. If you will do one more sum, you can understand, children. Now do B1 will do it. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7. Copy it neatly. Okay. Now B. One by 5 plus 1 by 7. Okay. Same number I am writing. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7. This is also unlike fraction. So what you have to do second step? Take the LCM of 5 comma 7 is equal to dash. So 5 and 7 I am taking the LCM. 5 and 7 both are prime numbers only. First I am checking with 5. 5 ones are 5, next is 7. Again with the 7 table, 1 and 1. Multiply 5 into 7. It is 35. So denominator what we get here? 35. Now this LCM 35 is no? This LCM 35, both the denominators how many times it will divide? With that have to multiply the numerator, and finally we have to add those answers. Okay, now write down 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 is equal to, what is the denominator we got, children? 35 now. So write 35. Now 35 in 5 table, how many times it will divide? 35 divided by 5. Okay, 35 is the denominator and 5 is the denominator. And after dividing these two with the answer, it means with the quotient, you have to multiply the numerator. Plus, again, 35 divided by 7 into 1. Now, 35 divided by 5. In 5 table, 35, how many times it will divide? 7 times. 7 into 1. Plus, and again 7 table also 35, 5 times. 5 into 1 by, denominator is 35 now, that you have to continually write. And now multiply these two. 7 ones are 7 plus 5 ones are 5 plus by 35. So 7 plus 5 if you add, you will be getting 12 by 35. That is the answer. Okay, next D. From D onwards, 3 fractions additions are there. Okay, 3 unlike fractions are there. That how to do by taking the LCM. That one model I will explain you. Remaining sums you have to do it as a homework. Okay, same section number 2 only, but sum number D. What is the fraction? 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2. 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So same number I am writing here, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Now what you have to do? Take the LCM of all the three denominators. So right, take the LCM of 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2. These three numbers are prime numbers. So directly you can multiply this or you can do LCM. 3, 5, 2. First we check with 2 table. 3 it is not divided, 5 was not divided, but 2 ones are 2. Next we will divide with 3. 3 ones are 3, 5 it will not divide, and 1. Next with 5. 1, 1, 1. So 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 is the LCM. Okay, 30 is the LCM. Now, all three numbers together, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2. What is the LCM? 30 is the LCM. Now, in 3 table, 30 how many times it will divide? 10 times. 10 into numerator is 2. Plus, in 5 table, 30 how many times divide? Directly I am doing children without writing in the bracket. How many times it will divide? Yes, 6 times. So 6 into numerator is 4. Plus in 2 table, 30 how many times divide? 15 times. So 15 into numerator is 1. Now multiply this all numerators and the quotient together. 10 2s are 20 plus 6 4s are 24 plus 15 1s are 15 by 30. Add all these numbers. 20 plus 24 is equal to 44. 44 plus 15 is equal to 59 by 30. Okay, this is the answer. Section 2 completed. Now coming to the section 3, how to do addition of mixed like fractions. Here in this section also 6 sums are there. 2 I am going to explain you. Remaining all you have to do yourself. Roman number 3. First one. 3 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 2. Here the denominators are same, 2 and 2. Okay. So how to do this mixed fraction? First convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 3 by 2 plus 4 1 by 2. So write down, change the or convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So now 3 1 by 2. How to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction? Denominator and whole number both should multiply and with the numerator should be added. So 3 into 2 into 3 plus 1. What is the answer will be getting? 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 2 plus 4 1 by 2 is there. Denominator and whole number multiplication. 2 4s are 8 plus 1. 9 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 9 by 2. the denominators are same. So directly you can add numerators. 7 plus 9 by 2. Answer is 16 by 2. Okay. Next, B1, same. B and C also same method how to do because the denominators are same. Now I am going to explain D. D1, 4 3 by 4, 4 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 2, 2 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 3, 1 1 by 3. Okay, so now first what you have to do? Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so I am writing 4 same again. The sum 4 4 by 3 plus 2 1 by 2 plus 1 1 by 3 is equal to 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 by 3 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 3. Now second step what you have to do? Take the LCM of denominators. So 3, 2, 3. Take the LCM. 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 2 is not possible. Again 3 1s are 3. Next 2 table. 1, 1, 1. 3 into 2. 6 is the LCM. Okay. So in bracket you can write LCM is equal to 6. Now 6 is the LCM. With 6 have to divide the denominator and multiply with the numerator. 3 2s are 6. So 2 into 16. Next 2 tables 6 how many times multiplied? 3 times. 3 into 5. Next again 3 tables 6 how many times multiplied? 2 times. 2 into 4. 2 into 16. 16 2s are 32 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 4 2s are 8 by 6 is equal to add the 3 together. 32 plus 8 is equal to 40. 40 plus 15 is equal to 55 by 6 is the answer. Okay, remaining sums have to do it as a homework. Next, section number 4. Section number 4, first sum 13 plus 2 by 5. 13 plus 2 by 5. Okay, here one whole number and one fraction together have to do addition. So how to do that? 13 plus 2 by 5 is equal to below the whole number whatever it is given, that you have to take it as a numerator, and down of that imagine that 1 you have to take it as a denominator. Okay, directly 13 plus 2 by 5 you should not add. If it is given whole number it will becomes in the place of numerator and the denominator will be 1. So after taking the LCM of 1 and 5, you will be getting 5 only as a LCM. Now in one table 5 how many times divide children? 5 times no. So 5 into 13, and 5 table how many times? 1 time. 1 into 2. So 5 into 13. Answer is 13 5s are 45 plus 1 2s are 2 by 5 is equal to 47 by 5 is the answer. Okay, like that. Second one also whole numbers only is there. Down of the whole number you write 1 as a denominator. Okay, so in this section remaining sums you can do it as a homework. So like that today textbook page number 84, 1 to 4 sections are there. So remaining sums, after taking the classwork, remaining what are the sums left over is there, no? That all the sums you have to do it as homework neatly in your maths notebook. Okay.